Alright guys, it's Yakan here from Train Ground, okay? Alright, so I'm actually capturing this video via the GoPro Hero 11. Yeah, it's the latest black version as well. Okay, I'm currently in Malaysia. I'm testing it via a GoPro car mount holder, okay? So definitely I just want to check out the stabilization and the video quality as well. Okay, so I'm currently shooting with 5.3K video quality as well over here, and I'm turning on the horizon lock as well, so you definitely can see the stabilization over here is like super good. Okay, and also the roads in Malaysia is kind of bumpy as well. Okay, so let's see. Speed up a little bit. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna speed up a little bit here as well. Okay, give my car a little bit some gas onto it. It's going to be nice. So I'm actually driving an old Myvi. Okay, so I'm sorry if my car is not fast for this video. Okay, you guys aware of it as well. Right, nice. Okay, good. Just go and find a parking, right? And yeah, that is awesome. That's really awesome. Alright, so found a parking spot over here. Okay, so I'm going to end the video over here. Okay, so remember, this video is being shot in the 5.3K video resolution. Okay, horizon lock as well. Okay, everything looks pretty good. Okay, yeah. So I'm Yakan once again for Train Ground, and you're watching a sample footage of the GoPro Hero 11 Black exclusively on this YouTube channel. Okay, hope you guys like that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay.